Hey guys, this is going to be a hiccup video. I just got the hiccups and I was like, I need to do a hiccup video. And yeah, let's get to it. Some of the questions that I'm asked, about my hiccups, let's take a look. So, how often do you get them? Oh, I don't know. They're random. They're unexpected. They're unpredictable. They're crazy. Oops, I lost the questions. Do they sound different according to different days? Well, it kind of depends. Like right now, I'm kind of keeping them in, but sometimes they're just really, really annoying, and they're loud, and then they're soft, and then they're loud again, and it's crazy. What else? Where is the worst place you've gotten your hiccups? On a plane. We were going to a Disney World, so it was like a 3-hour flight approximately, and we had just gotten on the plane. We were all situated and stuff, and about half an hour into the flight, I started getting the hiccups, and of course, that was the day where it was like super loud and super annoying and hectic. So I'm sitting there and this is like one of the days I can't hold them back. Like right now I kind of can, but sometimes I can't, and that was just one of the times where I was like, and oh boy, I had them for an hour and 17 minutes, and the poor people on the plane, like behind me, in front of me, across from me, I can honestly say I think they were ready to like kick me off the plane in midair. honest to God. It was hysterical though. Like, I was just sitting there like, what do I do? I can't do anything. None of those tricks work. So yeah. Another place that I've gotten them a lot is at school. And actually this year, I'm in 8th grade, and my math teacher, who I love, she's like the funniest person you'll ever meet. She was teaching, and I had the loudest hiccups I possibly could. And like, this is as a joke, she kicks me out of class, and she gives me a cup, and she like opens the door, lets me walk out, and then she closes the door. So, I had to go get some water, and I was all alone, but that's okay. I remember last year, long story short, the teacher who likes to scare kids when they have the hiccups, I was in his classroom during social studies, and I'm sitting there having the hiccups, and like, he's like, how about you go get some water? And he's one of the teachers who will send a kid to come and scare the living daylights out of you. And so I was like, okay. And so I was like right next to the door almost. So I was backing out. I was like, I was so freaked out that he was gonna have like a kid attack me while I was like exiting the door, so I didn't turn my back on the class. What else? And then I get back in the classroom like 2 minutes later, and he's teaching, whatever. And now we have to write some stuff down, and so he walks away from the board. And I was writing, and like I was still looking at my paper, like I was like, and like I had a sense that someone was like totally staring at me, and I was like, and I asked my friend who was sitting across from me, I was like, is he, meaning my teacher, standing like behind my chair, like above me? And and she goes, and I was like, oh my god. So I start like moving my head back, and I kid you not, he's like standing like right here. I was like looking up and yeah, he scarred me for life. I hope you heard that. No, I'm kidding. Well, I was just like, oh my god. I was a bit freaked out. Yeah. Another one. How long do they last? Well, it depends. I could have one hiccup and I could be done. Or most of the time it's like 1 minute to 2 hours. I've never had them more than like an hour and a half, I don't think. Like one time at school, I had them all of band, which is third hour for me, and our class is about like 47 minutes, and then I went to language arts, which is my next class, and I still had them for another like 25 minutes. So that was probably the longest time I've had them. They kind of like vary too. Like it's not a specific pattern. Like one might not come every minute. Like I don't know. They're weird. So yeah, those are just a few of the questions I was asked multiple times actually. Obviously on my outfit of the day, which is the one that I was wearing, the Mickey shirt, there was a lot of comments on there like, oh my god, I love your hiccups, you should do a hiccup video. And after that video, my inbox was flooded with, oh my gosh, you should do a hiccup video, you should do. So I responded to like all of them. I was like, okay, next time I get the hiccups, then I'll do it. Except the next 3 times actually I was at school, I was like, too bad I couldn't just whip out my camera or whip out my laptop and record. But, and now my hiccups are gone. See, they're random. They randomly come, they randomly leave. None of those stupid tricks work. It's like, no, I can't just, and then they're gone. No, it doesn't work for me. I'm sure you wanted to see that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little hiccup video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.